Hello friends! Today I'm going to give you some information about the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max charging limit. I think this is an important setting. First, we tap on settings. Then we click on the battery section. Here a new feature is waiting for us, charging. When we tap on it, we see bar ranging from 18 to 100. You can manually set the maximum charge level you want your phone to reach while charging, like this. My recommendation is to keep it somewhere between 19 and 95. I believe this will help extend your battery's lifespan. When you enable this feature, the optimized battery charging option below will be deactivated. If you prefer your phone to manage this automatically, you can activate optimized battery charging instead. If you like more content like this, please don't forget to follow and like my channel. Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day.